Samuel, good evening to you and welcome.
I
will just take 2 minutes and hand over to you. We are definitely looking forward to your program, and we've heard a lot about you. So now I'll request everyone to please mute themselves so that we can begin today's program. So today, as you all know, we said that we have something related to the dance. So नृत्य जिसे हम कहते हैं, so मन को मोह लेता है नृत्य, जीवन को रंग देता है नृत्य, सुकून उसे मिलता है जिसके संग है नृत्य. So as you all know, dancing is the mixture of emotion and passion. Every posture, every rhythm has a lot to say. It evokes feeling of laughter and hope and happiness. Dance is a poem for which each movement is a word. So let your soul shine with dance and move with the rhythms of today's Bollywood dance beat. And today, as I just mentioned, we have an amazingly talented dancer, Samuel. So just to tell you all about Samuel, Samuel is a professional international choreographer. He started his career from Bollywood as a dancer in the year 2000, and he has now set up his own choreography for international shows in 2006. Samuel started his own studio named Sam Beats in 2008, and since then has been teaching academically and also been part of many events. He has now started conducting virtual shows and has online dancing classes for all. So Samuel, thank you so much for joining us here today. And
thank you for the
we are definitely ready for you. And like I mentioned, and I just have to thank you because one call and you agreed to do this for the elders. So that was really, very sweet of you.
And I will be there. Also, thank you very much for the beautiful introduction of dance. Dance is an art form which you can do anywhere. Aloneness, shyness, also if you are not able to dance, if you can laugh with your dance, it will also give you a good pleasure of life. Also, it is very fun element to have in your life. So whenever you feel low, you can laugh, also you can dance. So now we will start a little exercises. If everybody finished their coffee, tea, snacks, can stand up and exercise with me. Can I see you standing there?
Request everyone to stand up so that we can follow. But Samuel, you are not fully visible also.
I will be just.
Okay, fine.
First, I will see everybody. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for standing. Thank you. Okay, so there is a song of Shammi Kapoor, Chand Sa Roshan Chehra. I know everybody's favorite song is Chand Sa Roshan Chehra. So today we are learning some of the exercises on dance in the music Chand Sa Roshan Chehra. Okay? So I will be teaching you some of the exercise in dance.
We'll give you the very first step. your hand onto your shoulder level and flick it up here. Another hand coming onto your shoulder level, then flick up here. So it goes like ये चांद चेहरा सिर्फ होता है इसमें. Okay. Again, we'll have cheese ingredients. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So from the beginning, we'll start from the beginning. ये चांद सा चेहरा ये चीज okay. You cover your whole face from your whole hands. See how I'm putting my hands? I'm coming here and putting my hands just front of my face without seeing anything. Okay? So, again. ये चांस सिर्फ ये चीज कोई चार्ज है इसमें गहरा. When the word comes gehra, you have to reveal your face. Okay? So, I will be putting song. We'll try on the song. Okay? What is this all about?
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा.
We'll do it one more time. We'll do it one more time. Okay.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा. क्या उसकी जिसने.
Now we'll do next steps. Next lyrics is coming. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी. On that I am giving you some steps. Okay, now 1, 2. See. 1, 2. Okay. So from your right hand, just throw it on your front side twice. 1, 2. तारीफ करूं. Then क्या उसकी is coming up. क्या उसकी is क्या उसकी from your left hand. So the very first step is 1, 2. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी. Okay. Now you stepping forward. उसकी. You step forward. See my legs. I'm stepping forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And again going back. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we'll do from here. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया. Okay? Now the full sequence from the starting to this part. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया. Okay? Now on to music. We'll do these steps. Can I show you again? Okay, I will show you again. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, go. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया. Okay? Now I'm putting the song. We'll do it on the song.
तुम्हें बनाया. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील.
Now we did Chand Sa Roshni Chehra. Okay? So the same song is coming on. Okay? So we have to do the same steps again. Chand Sa Roshni Chehra, Zulfon ka rang sunhara. Okay? Jeel se neeli आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा. Okay? It is coming again. So we'll do it twice. Okay? Now again I'm putting the song. We'll do continuously whatever the lyrics coming again. Okay.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया.
Very nice, very nice. Now I want to see all doing with the counts. You know counts? I'll count you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On that count, you have to show whatever steps you did. Okay? So I need to see all the steps. Now I'm counting you by 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, very nice, very nice. Now I'm putting you with the another steps which is in the music. There is a music part of 16 count. So we are having new steps. So see, the new steps are, which is from your leg. Okay, so first you have to put your right leg onto your left cross, left side. Okay, 1. And also you're coming back with the same leg, 2. And another step also, 3, the same. And the 4th step, you're stepping forward from your left leg to onside. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, moving forward. Okay? Can we do it? From your right leg towards 2. Then coming back. Then again doing the same step and moving forward with your left leg. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? We'll do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So you get it from your right leg here. Right, 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 and left. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, moving forward here. And to the next step. The steps is very similar, but you did oppositely. First you did with your right leg, and after the same step remains with your left leg. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, moving forward. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Yes. So now I'm doing both the steps together. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, forward. 1, 2, 3, forward. Okay, great. Okay, we'll do it again. Okay? We'll do it again. Come on, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? If you're not able to step, move further, you can just step here. Okay? Just step here and come back. Again, step there and move forward. Okay? So, when I'm standing, it's very solid. You can do onto the small area without stretching your leg out. 1, 2, 3, and move forward. Again, the opposite leg. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Again. Now, I'm doing both the steps together. It is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Again the same step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Okay, now again I'm putting the song on. We'll do it on the song. Okay.
ये चांद का रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। क्या उसके जिसने तुम्हें बनाया, ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करो क्या उसके जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। एक चीज कयामत भी है, लोगों से सुना करते
Very quickly. Okay, go.
ये चांद का रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करो क्या उसके जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करो क्या उसके जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। एक चीज कयामत भी है, लोगों से
Okay, now, if anyone have any question for this, you can ask me. But one by one, take your name and I will tell whomsoever will be asking first.
Enjoying and
Enjoying, very, very nice, ma'am. You did it very nicely.
Yeah. Good, very good, very good.
I did it after a long time.
Beautiful, ma'am. And you can do it daily basis, on the daily
Okay.
basis. It will be a good exercise also.
I love to be. Yeah.
Very simple.
Yeah, I was learned dancing in young age, but
Yeah.
again you revived us.
Rekha ma'am is also
Reminded us.
Rekha ma'am is doing still.
Yeah. It was lovely, Vijay.
After 50
Yeah,
years,
thank you very
I
much, sir. Thank
I
you very
think-
much, and I appreciate your presence. You are giving us such a good era that what we are nicely doing.
Yeah.
You have reminded our young
teach
age.
us very well, learn very well.
Very
Simple
nice.
steps.
Okay.
Simple steps है, बहुत easy.
Yeah, very easy steps,
These steps.
and we will do more better than better steps.
Yes.
Okay, so now we'll do again the same steps on the counts. Okay, on the counts we'll do same step again, and after that I will putting the song and you guys doing by your own. Where I'm not doing, I will be saying you whomsoever doing whatever, I will judge. Okay, so this is the last rehearsal of the day where I will be doing with you guys. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. ये चांद का रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें चेहरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें ओके बनाया। एंड अगेन ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का चेहरा, ये झील की आंखें कोई राज नहीं कह रहा ये तुम्हें क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। And the leg movement, if you cannot crossing this much, you can go like this, stepping forward, coming back, just step forward and cross ahead with your left leg. And oppositely, you can do the same. Okay? Again, the last step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, one more time, last step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now I will counting the whole sequence of today from the top to end. Okay? So do it with me. 5, 5, 6, 7, go. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग संतरा, ये झील सी आंखें कोई राज है इनमें कहता तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। Again, ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी आंखें कोई राज नहीं कहता तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। Now 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now I'm putting the song on. You have to do by your own. Now I'm not doing. I want to see everybody what you guys doing. Okay, ready?
ये चांद का रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। एक चीज कयामत।
Very good. We'll do again immediately. We'll do again immediately. Okay? Now I'm doing with you.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया।
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
एक चीज कयामत भी है, लोगों से सुना करते तुम्हें देख के मैंने
Okay, now. Again. Again.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये झील सी नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये झील सी नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया एक चीज कयामत भी है लोगों से
Yes. Okay, everybody.
Now you have to tell us how did you like?
Yeah. So it is enough for the day, and now you can ask me for the questions, anything you want to ask, and anything if you want to do. Let me have your words, but one by one.
ये दोनों call back कर रहे हैं थोड़ी देर बाद.
But
Okay.
yeah, tell me one by one. Ritu ma'am can handle things.
Of course, I'm here for that only, so that I take it one by one. And
Yeah, one by one.
also, that was fabulous, Samuel.
It's
Like
just the
somebody
starting,
just said, it is just the
just-
starting, and including for me, I was trying to do some steps. I don't know how much I can manage, and I'm sure the office people are going
Okay.
to just tell me what am I doing in the office, dancing over the glory. But fabulous, and I'm sure everyone enjoyed. But before okay, fine, I'll take the questions now. But before we end the show, Samuel, we want to see one small choreography from your side, wherein you are just dancing and not teaching us. No, after this, we'll take the questions, and after that, we can't let you go,
Yeah, okay,
Hmm?
okay. I will do it. I'll do it.
right?
I'll do it.
हाँ, because ये तो teaching classes थी, so उसके बाद जो आपको करना है, so we
I'll
would
do
love
it.
to see you dance, not in bits and pieces, but a fluent, this thing.
No problem. I'll do it.
Okay, नीरजा जी, आप कुछ पूछना चाह रहे हो?
मैं ये कह रही थी कि अगर ये क्लास है तो मैं ज्वाइन
क्लासेस ये करेंगे, मो टीवी पे ही करेंगे
मुझे बहुत
subsequently.
आई एंजॉय अ लॉट तो कभी
Ritu,
क्लास
I also enjoy this dance.
I'm
I
so
also
glad to
enjoy.
hear that,
I
Vinancy.
also enjoy.
I,
He should come once every week. Once every week you should come.
Yeah, at least twice.
Yeah.
Samul ji.
And then you'll tell me I'm repeating my programs.
गरबा स्टेप्स दिखा सकते हैं अभी गरबा स्टेप्स
Yeah, definitely, ma'am.
सर
Okay.
कपल डांस भी सिखाना
Of course. Of course.
Samul ji.
Ji,
Hello.
sir. Ji, sir.
This is my favorite song, and you have corrected me. I was doing some different thing, but you have corrected me, and I liked it, so I can do this now.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you so much. And also, this is the very first beginning.
Yeah.
Now you will be doing better, and better.
हाँ. Especially जो झील का था ना, झील का मैं दूसरे तरीके से करता था, but now I realize this is the best way.
Yeah, absolutely.
भामरी जी, आप क्यों नहीं दिखाते आप क्या करते थे?
Yes, please, ma'am.
हाँ जी?
Okay. सबके क्वेश्चन
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल. मैं आप गाना लगाओ, मैं दिखाता हूँ.
ओके, गाना लगा दिया मैंने.
आवाज नहीं आ रही सर, आवाज नहीं आ रही.
और नहीं आ रही.
शुरू से लगा दूं. आवाज आ रही है ना?
अब आ रही.
Great.
I used to do like this.
ये चांद का रोशन चेहरा,
ये झील से नीली आंखें, कोई राज है
क्या तराशने जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील से नीली
वैसे भी डांस
Yeah, that was my own style. Now I realize the wordings and beautiful.
So this is I did little semi-classical
तुझे याद नहीं है
where you can see
आज 11
what I'm not doing.
तुझे याद नहीं है इस तारीख को क्या हुआ था? ओए सब ठीक था? चिट्ठियां लिखना तो तुझे याद ही नहीं रहता। वैसे आज 11 फरवरी है, तुझे याद नहीं है इस तारीख को क्या हुआ था?
तेरी मेरी गल्ला होगी मशहूर, करना कभी तो मुझे नजरों से दूर। किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए। जानदा है दिल ये तो जान दिया तू, तेरे बिना न रहूं मेरे बिना तू। किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए तू, किथे चलिए। काटू कैसे रात ओ सावरे, जिया नहीं जाता बावरे के राता लंबे यार कटे तेरे संगे यार के राता लंबे यार।
lovely.
Very nice, Abel.
Thank you.
अगली बार ये वाला सिखा
Nice.
देना।
बहुत
Nice,
सैमुअल जी, बहुत बढ़िया।
Next time this song.
बहुत लचक है।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Samuel,
Okay.
thank you so much for doing that for us, and it was a pleasure seeing you
No problem, ma'am.
dance.
No problem. I am really happy to have my elders on to this.
I really appreciated that everybody putting their effort, enjoying themselves, also having great time actually. So this is very important for nowadays. I'm very glad, and thank you Ritu ma'am. Thank you so much. Now you can tell me what.
So I think it was a fabulous session that we had with you, Samuel. And I think the most interesting part of a program is, when people just not audiences, they start participating. It makes the session more fun and more pleasurable, and something that everybody really enjoys. So आज आपने सबको, मतलब मैं देख रही थी from the beginning कि people are a little skeptical, and initially सब थोड़ा सा जैसे हिचकिचाहट होती है।
बिल्कुल
जब स्टार्ट आपने सब जो स्टार्टिंग आपने करी, so everybody was sitting and there's a comfort zone to watching a program like that, but you got everyone standing finally, and everybody really was enjoying the dance and trying to follow you step by step. And the beauty of it was that the steps were so simple that anybody could follow it. अगर थोड़े complicated होता ही होता तो आप सब, हम लोग सब dancers नहीं हैं, तो थोड़ा सा एक मन में आ जाता है. But after the first 2 times that you did it, everyone was standing and trying to do whatever they could and really enjoying it. I could see the smiles on their face. And बहुत लोग हैं जो कभी खड़े नहीं होते. They've always been a passive audience. But today I saw a lot of.
But I appreciate Asha ma'am. Asha ma'am, what she did is, she cannot stand there, and she not able to,
No, I'm sorry. I joined late.
Clapped.
Otherwise, I would have definitely joined.
But
I'm sorry. I joined late. Yeah, I couldn't understand the steps actually.
Yes, that is what. But you are
Next
there.
time you'll see me throughout dancing.
Yeah,
Okay.
I love to because your clap told me that you are a good dancer.
Thank you so much.
smooth. So your clap, all the claps was in the rhythm, and you are very enjoyable. That I appreciated.
Thank you.
Also-
Thanks a lot. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I'm looking forward to see you again soon and regularly. And thank you so much for today. Ritu ma'am, especially, you introduced me nicely. Thank you so much.
And
And
yeah, we are really, really happy to have you here with us, Samuel. And you know, we rarely had dance shows as such because हमें हमेशा लगता था कि how will we manage a dance show on this platform? But today was literally the second time that we attempted something like this, and it was, you know, a hit. And I can see the elders really, really having a good time. So you know, thank you so much. So today, like हम कहते हैं, you know, you dance love, you dance joy, and you dance dreams, and that is what we were doing here today. A lot of us thought we were not dancers and we can't move, but today you made everyone realize कि हाँ हम सब कर सकते हैं. And you heard from the comments by the elders that yes, they would love to, you know, continue with this. So we would love to have you back, Samuel, as soon as possible, and have some more sessions with you. And of course, as we go forward, when we have our classes and all, we will be reaching out to you for that. So thank you for a wonderful, wonderful session here with our elders.
thank you, Ritu ma'am.
And wish you lots of success. Wish you all the very best for all your choreography that you do internationally and internally, and you've been working with the Bollywood also. So next time we would love to hear something also from you about your experiences along with your dance.
Yeah. Thank you everybody. Thank you everybody to listening my things and also doing such good things. Keep laughing and keep smiling. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Samuel.
Samuel.
God bless you.
Thank you
ma'am.
very much.
Okay, I'm signing off now.
Yeah, please. Thank you so much, Samuel.